So we got a new project mower here. This is a John Deere Z655. We picked this thing up. The guy that we bought it from said the engine was out mowing with it. The pickup or the drain tube hooked something. Oil drained out. She shut off. So the way it made it sound is that it locked up. We're going to be doing some diagnosing on it today. See what's wrong with it. Hopefully get this thing up and mowing for summer. So we went to move this thing. And one thing, point this out quick. They got these two little valves here. Crack them and loosen them up. It freewheels really easy. It's a good thing to do so your back tires aren't holding you. So we're going to start doing some diagnosing on this engine, see if it locked up or what all went wrong here. Alright, so this is a 27 horse on here. It's a Briggs & Stratton. It says John Deere on it, but it's a Briggs. So we're just going to pop this back cover off, get a little better angle here at it. And there's the tube that ended up falling loose and hooking on something and let the oil drain out of her. But yeah, there she is. It doesn't look like there's any holes in the block right off. So that's a bonus for now. One thing, this thing, get this top cover here. The one thing that kind of worries me a little bit, so this is how easy it turns over, and that's with the spark plugs in. So we're gonna probably pop our spark plugs out, take our valve covers off, and see what's moving and what's not moving. That ain't good. So what we found is that the push rod had fallen out, but it looked like the actual cam was turning the engine over. So this was a good sign at this point.
Not a broken camshaft. Nope. Fuck the other side apart.
Alright guys, so the first thing we found, we took this valve cover off, was the push rod for the exhaust. It was actually just hanging loose in there. So I know sometimes these 27 horses are kind of known to knock the camshaft out if it throws a rod, but our camshaft still appears to be working here. And this side still looked all intact, so we're gonna keep on digging. Alright guys, so this thing, it's only got 411 hours on it, which really ain't too bad. So we're gonna try, we put our push rod back in there. We're just gonna try turning this thing over, see if maybe, we're doubting it's gonna run, but we're gonna give her a try. Sounds like there's still about no compression. So we're thinking we maybe threw a rod. I think our next step here is gonna be taking some more stuff apart. Alright, so we're trying the old wire trick here. See if the piston's moving up. We got her in the spark plug hole there. Let's see if it moves when we turn it over. And it don't seem like it's moving at all there.
Doesn't feel like it.
We're going to try this other side here just to make sure, but we'll go from there. Doesn't appear that side's turning either, pushing that out at all. So I guess we're going to keep on chuggling here. Alright guys, so kind of what we've done, we've realized that both pistons are more than likely not moving there. So we're thinking we threw a rod when they drained all the oil out of it. That'll be our next step, is tearing the engine down. And this thing, it's got a 54-inch deck on it. So I'm thinking it's going to be worth taking apart and fixing. Hopefully be able to get parts for it. Being a 27 horse Briggs, hoping we can cross some parts over and make them work in there. But yeah, so follow along. We're going to be tearing the engine apart in the next video. But so long for now, and thanks for watching.